The report owner, initially the person that started the report, will be the only person that can delete, share or unshare the report. The ownership of a report can be transferred to another user within the same PerfectForms account. Only the current owner of the report can transfer ownership, and having done so, they will lose the owner's privileges. A report will need to be shared before ownership can be transferred. Please do be aware that the location of the report will not be changed as a result of the ownership transfer. You have the option of moving the report into the new owner's shared folder before you transfer ownership, or the new owner can do this after transfer. To remove the report, select it, then drag and drop it into the new owner's folder. If the new owner's folder isn't available, it means they haven't yet shared a report, in which case the only option would be to transfer ownership first and allow the new owner to change the location after. To transfer ownership, select the shared report and click on the Migrate button. Select the Transfer Ownership option and click OK. A list of other users in the account will be displayed. Click the user that you want to transfer the report to and click OK. A confirmation message will be shown and the new owner displayed in the report's details. As you are no longer the owner of the report, you will see that you no longer have the privileges attached to ownership.